Welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. I cannot believe it is already time for winter and Christmas nails. I know I skipped fall. I went from Halloween right into fall, but nonetheless, let's get into this one. So I started out with a peel-off base and then one coat of jelly bean. I didn't record it. I only decided to do a tutorial on this after I did my thumb because it turned out so beautiful. So first step after the jelly bean, you're going to apply the gold chrome. Now, because jelly bean is a unity all-in-one polish, it cures to a shine, and it is just the perfect finish to apply chrome powder. I swear it's better than a no-wipe top coat, okay? I mean, I love the unity line for this only, really, to be honest, because I would top coat it anyways. So this is why I buy it, because the chrome application is just to die for. So Bioseaweed gel, their unity line, they have so many colors. So they've got like reds, blues. You can match it with your chromes. They also have black magic, or magic black. I'm not sure. I use it later on in the video, so you'll see it. But it is just a great product. So here we're doing the pinky. Now I do like to apply chrome with my fingers to burnish it in, which is just rubbing it into the nail. You can use a silicone tool, but I just find I get the best shine when I rub it in with my finger. Now, before I seal the chrome, I'm coming in with this reflective gold glitter, and I'm just applying it at the cuticle, and then I'm using my Madame Glam's Ombre brush to just kind of pull it out and make a little bit of a gradient with the glitter. And then you also just, place the glitter around where you want it. If you find that there's some glitter clumped in one area, don't be afraid to move that around, because once you've cured it, it's locked in. And now I'm going to do the same thing on my pinky with this gorgeous polish, Stardust from Madame Glam. If you're subscribed to my channel, which I hope you are, if you're not, you should be, you can use my code BeckyTK40 and get 40% off. You don't have to be subscribed. I just mean if you are subscribed, you would know that you can use my code to get 40% off Madame Glam. But I'm pretty sure they are having their Black Friday sale right now. So that deal's even better, and you can't double up on the code, unfortunately. Now, to seal these, I am going to first put some clear or some top coat on the free edge. And I'm going to cure that first, do like a flash cure, and then I'm going to do the rest of the nail. Now, you can do like a matte polish first or top coat and then go in with your glossy. However, I just find when you do the matte first, it kind of dulls the chrome. I find it does. You might not think it does, so I mean, you can do whichever way you like, but I have been wearing these for a few days and I've had no chips on the tip doing it this way. So you can try it, or you can, if you have a way that works for you that the chrome doesn't chip, do it that way. Guys, this is nail polish. You are free to do it the way you want, okay? That's all I have to say, because I get a lot of comments, why would you do this? Why would you do that? That's just how I like it. So do it whatever way you want. So now we're going to cure those. And then after it's cured, I'm just wiping away all the excess chrome that got onto my fingers. And then after, I actually washed my hands, because, that chrome powder just gets everywhere. So this is after I washed all the chrome off. Now I'm going to buff the other two nails because I want to do a chrome snowflake, which, oh, here it is, Black Magic. So I want to do a chrome snowflake, and in order for the chrome to just stick to the snowflake, you have to buff the nail. Apparently there are some matte top coats that work, but the ones I have, chrome also sticks to. So I am going to buff the nail first, and then I'm coming in with the Black Magic. I tried with Jelly Bean first, but the polish was just too liquidy that it kind of like flooded out. They didn't stay put, the dots. So the Black Magic just worked better. After you do your dots, come in with your liner brush. This is just one of those really, really cheap liner brushes that come in the pack of 3 where there's like the blue tip, the red tip, and the green tip. And then I also cut almost all the bristles off, where I believe there's only like 2 left, so that it is a very, very, very thin line. But it's also like a long striper brush. I really like long striper brushes versus like a short brush. I feel like I have a lot more control when the brush is longer, when I'm trying to do like really straight lines. So after you've done your snowflake very carefully, this is just that very easy dot snowflake. I like it because it's just easy. Like, I'm very OCD when it comes to snowflakes. They have to be like very symmetrical. So I find this is just the best way to do one, where it's perfect, because let's face it, snowflakes are probably the one thing in nature that is perfect if you've ever actually like caught one and looked at one. So before I cure it, I'm just taking off the gel that got onto my skin, and then I'm going to do a full cure after I painted the other nail, which I did not show, sorry. It was the same thing. So after I do a full cure, we're going to rub the chrome onto the snowflake. And, well, if you know, you know, chrome does like look best over black. So these like turned out, they looked like jewels, these little snowflakes. Like, look at them, they are so perfect. And you see I easily wiped the chrome off where I buffed the nail, because it just does not stick to a buffed surface. So once I was done, I applied some top coat, and then I felt like they needed some crystals in the middle, which I just kind of stuck the crystal into the top coat, and they did come off the very next day because, let's face it, top coat is not strong enough to hold crystals. If you wanted these to actually stay, you would want to use like a builder gel or even a poly gel or even acrylic or like a gem gel, just something stronger than top coat. And this is the final results. And here it is with the flash, because this is a reflective flash glitter that I use. So I just wanted to show you that. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I guess happy holidays. Bye.